Hi everyone. Thursday, last day of DMR. I'm going to go ahead, same procedure, show you how to do the first 5, and then we'll go over the last 5 together. So number 1, there are 108 students in 4th grade. We want to play sports. We want to play a sports game, and we only have 9 teams. How many students will be on each team? So we've got 108 students, and we want to have 9 teams. So here's team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, team 5, team 6, team 7, team 8, team 9. If we wanted all of those people to be on all of these teams, how are we going to decide how many on each team? We are going to divide. So if I have 108 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 teams. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 9 cannot go into 1. How many times will 9 go into 10? 1 time. I'm going to multiply. 1 times 9 is 9. I'm going to subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. You can bring down the 8. Start all the way over. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now I'm going to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. I'm going to subtract. And I have nothing else to bring down. So 12 people can be on each team. If you knew that 9 times 12 equaled 108, then you didn't have to go through the long division. Number 2, Joe has 3 red balls, 2 green balls, 4 yellow balls, 6 purple balls. What is the probability that he will not choose a purple ball? So first we have to find out how many, because they want it in a fraction form, how many total balls does he have? 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 6 is 15. I'm going to do that again to make sure I have it right. 5 plus 2 is 5. I'm sorry, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 6 is 15, and I don't have any more. All right, so we can do it 2 ways. It says how many will not be purple. So now let's count up all the balls that are not purple. So we're not going to include our 6 this time. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So it would be 9 out of 15, or in fraction form like this. Number 3, what does T have to be to make this a true statement? So again, think of this as a balance beam. We want both sides to be even. So first we have to figure out, what does this side equal? 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 5 is 15, and we got another 15. And now we have to see 19 minus what number equals 15. So would it be 19 minus 7, 19 minus 3, 19 minus 5, 19 minus 4? If you didn't know, you would need to go ahead and do the subtraction, or you could count up. But you're going to do 19 minus what? 19 minus 4 equals 15. Number 4, this chart shows how many boys and girls are in each grade. Which grade has the greatest difference in the number of boys versus girls? So first I'm going to look at this graph, and I've got the grades. So this is how many people are in 1st grade, how many in 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade, and here are my number of students. All right, I have to also have a key over here. So the light colored gray is how many girls, and the dark colored gray has the number of boys. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my numbers on top of my bars. So for grade 1, they've got, it's right in between 20 and 30. So they've got 25 boys and they've got 30 girls. In grade 2, right in between, they've got 15 boys and they've got, would this be 20? Looks like a little bit more than 20, so maybe 21 or 22. Number 3, I'm sorry, not number 3, grade 3, they've got 20 boys and almost 30 girls. So I'm going to guesstimate this to be 29 because it's not quite 30. Grade number 4, they've got 21, it looks about. And for girls, they look like they're right in between that, so that would be about 35. Now, they want to know the greatest difference. So you're saying we need to find out what is the difference between all of these numbers. Well, if I'm just using the graph and looking, this is not a very big difference. This is kind of big, this is kind of big, and here is our greatest difference. Okay, you can kind of clearly see this. Sometimes it won't be that clear, so then we would have to do the math out. So we have 35 minus 21 would be 4. That'd be a 14 difference. 14 people difference. This one, 29 minus 20 would be 9. I'm gonna write these down here. 22 minus 15 would be 7. And then 30 minus 25 would be 5. So either way, it would be grade 4. All right. And number 5, we have a division. We have 782 divided by 8. I'm going to do the standard algorithm. Oh, actually, I did that up here. I'll do the big 7 up here. All right, I cannot take out 800, so I'm going to move to 10. And take out 110, which would be 80. That leaves me with 2 and 7. So this time, instead, I could still do 80 over and over and over and over again, but that's going to take a while. So I'm going to think about how many 80s would fit into 100. So that would be 1. And so I'm going to try 70. 7 10s. So if I did 7 times 8, that would be 56. And my 0. And I'm going to subtract. Four, so I can still do another one. So I might just try and do 1 again. So I'm going to do 10, 80. 14 minus 8 is 6. All right, now 8, 62. So 8 is too many, so I'm going to try 7 is 56. And the difference between that is 4, 5, 6. So there's my answer. 70, 80, 97. Remainder 6. Okay? All right. So let's talk about what problems y'all are going to do with each other and show us how to do it. So for this one, for number 6, I'm going to try Zeke and Alexis. For number 7, I'm going to try y'all did that one last time. Let's do Mason and Chloe. I'm going to skip number 8 again. For number 9, I'm going to do Victor and Ezra. And for number 8, I'm sorry, we're skipping 8. For number 10, we're going to do Austin. And Sierra. Okay, we're good to go. I will post this online and I will see you later on this afternoon.